After you have finished removing your background, be sure to save it as a PNG in the closest images folder. You're then going to want to create a div for that image. Name it whatever you'd like. I named mine me. Then to style it, you would type .me. We're going to need to give it a width. I'm going to say 1000 pixels and a height of, let's say, 700 pixels. I used background shorthand to add in the image, so I have the image, no repeat, and I can go ahead and get rid of this positioning because I went ahead and positioned it absolute, and I told it to be 0 from the top. And I have that div first. And currently I've got my paper positioned relative, and I told it to be 300 pixels from the top of the page. You can always change that to absolute if you don't like the relative. But mine still doesn't look quite right, so I'm going to take my picture back into Photoshop and erase some of the picture so that it looks like I'm peeking over the paper. So you're probably going to have to keep messing in Photoshop with your image until you get it to look the way that you want. So right now I need to move my paper down a little bit. I need to erase some of this stuff over here. But my final code, I have my paper positioned absolute. It's first in the code. I've got it 200 pixels from the top of the page. My me div is positioned second. Currently it's absolute, and it's 0 pixels from the top of the page, and it's not repeating. But you can choose to position yours to the right or left of your paper as well.